Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to delete Facebook all watched videos, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Facebook all watched videos. So to do that, just open your Facebook from your phone and now just click on this three button here or three dot. Just tap on this activity log. Now you can see there is a multiple tabs. Just scroll this. Now look for videos watched. Just tap on this. Now you can see all the list, the video you watched before. Just tap on this clear video watch history. Now clear. It will take a few minutes, and after a few minutes it will clear from your watched history. Or if you want to delete manually, then you can just select from here or just tap on this three button and just tap on this delete. So if you want to delete all of these at one time, then just tap here clear video watch history and tap on clear. So basically this is how you can easily clear your Facebook all watched videos from your account. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.